Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, a little chit chat, a makeup look. This is the makeup look that we're going to be doing, and I just really got inspired by the holidays. I do want to do like a holiday series, like a Christmas series, and this one being the first one, maybe the next one being a vlog of maybe showing you guys everything that I picked up for Christmas, things like that. So hopefully today is one of many videos. So hopefully you guys love today's video. Let me know down below what other videos you guys want to see, and let's just jump right in. So we do have one eye done because I wanted to save us some time. What I should have done before I did my brows and my eyes was do primer. I'm going to use the Professional primer, and we're just going to let that sit on my face before we work on the eyes. So we have primer. Let's go ahead and do eyes. The palette I'm going to be using is the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude palette. This is what it looks like right here, and we're going to be working with a lot of the cool tone colors, which I'm not going to lie, I feel like cool tones never looked good on me, but I feel like I totally changed my mind after I did this look. So here we go. So the first shade that I'm going to use is the shade Mesh, and you're going to see that I'm taking it on a big fluffy brush like this, and I'm going to just start buffing the shade on the crease, smoking it out. This shade alone has very nice pigment, and honestly, this is what I like about her palettes. It is a little pricey, but this one, in my opinion, is so worth it. I'm going to switch to a smaller brush. This one's the Morphe M514 brush, and it's more like tapered like this. And I'm going to take the shade Tender. And this is really where we start getting into like the cool toneness. The cool toneness, is that even a word, of this look. Now I'm going to keep this right at my socket, taking it a little bit above it because I do have hooded eyes and I do want the shade to peek through when I open my eyes. So I'm basically doing little circular motions but also bringing it in instead of extending it out like that first shade. Then go back in with Mesh and just make sure that we blend them together. Next shade I'm going to take is the shade Silhouette. It's a nice brown shade, and this is going to really deepen up the eye. I'm going to keep this really at the center of my lid, coming in like such. And it's just gonna create a very beautiful like sultriness to the eyes. It's gonna make it nice and smoky. And you're gonna see how I'm basically leaving this little like space right here open, and that is intentional. Like, I like my eyes or my eyeshadow looks to be like open because I do have hooded and like more smaller eyes, and I do want it to be like. A little trick that I like to do is to take some concealer, and I like to place little dots right here, and I'm going to use this to basically create a blank canvas again on my lid, so that when I put the shimmer shade, there is like no shadow underneath it, and it'll just make it more vibrant. Now the shade we are going to take is the shade Mia, and it is basically a beautiful shimmer shade, but it does have like a reflective of a baby pink in it. I feel like the camera's not capturing it, but it is beautiful, and I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this with my fingers so that we get the most payout. And I want to make sure that I'm getting the inner corner because I want the inner corner to be very bright. Going back in with the Tender shade to help blend this little area out. Going back in a little bit with the Silhouette brown shade to make sure everything's just nice and deepened up. So now we are just going to jump into the base. I'm gonna use the Professional foundation, which has been my go-to. I feel like it makes my skin look so good and then helps with the oils because I am oily to combo. So I'm going to use this, and then I'm going to go in with a foundation brush maybe. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to go in with this Sephora foundation brush, which I've been loving Sephora brushes lately. I really like that concealer brush that I use on my lids. I feel like it's so good at blending everything out. This one too, like this one doesn't leave any streaks or anything. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Morphe Shape Lifter Micro Contour Stick in Refined. I've actually been using this a lot. It's like so easy to use. Like look, one, and I really like it for my nose. I hate nose contouring because I know that I don't be doing it right, but this makes it so easy to do. Well, for blush, I've been liking this one a lot lately. It's the Juvia's Place Rosy Posy. This one, however, is so pigmented that I find it best if I put it on like the back of my hand and almost control where it like lays, or else it's gonna look so crazy. This is just gonna act as a base for Willa. That's the blush that we're gonna use. It's just a nice, beautiful, like pink everyday shade. So this one's just gonna act as a base for that. But yeah, the color is beautiful. For concealer, I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm just going to apply a little bit like this. Nothing too crazy. A little bit on the nose. And we're just going to keep it like that. And then look at the brush that I'm using. I really like this brush. This one's the Sephora No. 2 Concealer brush. And it's going to do its thing. I also like how I can control where I want the concealer to be, and then I do like to take any like remaining excess from the concealer and just like run it right here so that it creates like a sharpness to the look. This is actually perfect for the nose. For bronzer, I'm going to take the LYS No Limits bronzer in Harmony, and I'm going to use that to bronze up my skin a little bit more. Alright, and then here's Willow by Benefit. I'm thinking just going in with the shimmer shade is what I'm thinking. I keep eyeing this, so I think I'm going to do it. This is the Ardell Wispy Lashes in the Demi Wispies. So I'm using the Makeup by Mario lip pencil in Tan. This is the Makeup by Mario Rosewood Glow. Alright, so this is the end of my holiday look. What do you guys think? Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you guys loved today's video. Let me know down below, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.